Hey, what's going on, guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the events in DOM elements and which is how you gonna add events in what we call the HTML or the JavaScript, or you can say the DOM elements in a exact way. So there are two ways to add those. So first is attributing in HTML. Just there are many events. You can see it all on W3 schools. Just go there and you can check this how much they have events. So I already talked about the HTML elements, which you can have a full series. You can go to my playlist and watch those if you wanted to. And how we gonna add this? Just click, like on click, type that, and it's gonna call my function. So my function, and inside the script tag we're gonna define the function. So my function, and now what we gonna do is just show anything like alert, and inside that we're gonna paste it's gonna delete. Now when you go there and click on that, you're gonna say it's gonna delete. So this is the first way you can add those, but there's another way. It's called the what we call adding listeners. So first we need to define that what we want to do. So if you want here this delete button, which we already chose by on that, so you need to do is set a ID, or you can use by the query selector. Anyway, you can get this element. So first we're gonna define the ID. Like here what I'm gonna do something like something as the ID, and use DOM elements, I mean document dot get element by ID, and we're gonna pass the ID as what we call here something. So something. After that we're gonna add a function. It's a predefined function, add event listeners, LESTENER. So after that, when we do that, we need to pass two parameters. So if you want to do a click event, so CLICK click, and the second is the function what you gonna want to trigger when this event happens. So here we're gonna use the arrow function syntax, and we're not gonna pass anything. You can pass to be default like E, but if you don't want to do that too, that would be okay. So alert, and we're gonna pass it's gonna delete. When you do that and click on that, it's gonna delete. This is the way we can add function to our DOM element. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.